Join me guys as we make a pot of Nigerian fried rice. So I start by cooking my turkey and I added some seasoning cubes, some table salt, curry, thyme, bay leaves, and onions with some water, but little quantity of water first because I needed the turkey to be well marinated. So after about 5 minutes of the first set of cooking, then I added more water because I really need this broth or water to serve as a base for my fried rice. And that's liver, because I'll be adding some liver into the fried rice. So for the liver, I just added salt and a little quantity of seasoning cubes, and then I just boil it, and when it's cooked, I just slice and fry. So the turkey is ready at this point, so I just bring it out of the broth, and at the same time I'll try to sieve out any particles like bone or whatever in the water, because I'm using this as my base. And the next thing is to get this green pepper. I don't like adding all sort of seasoning or color into my fried rice. I just use my green pepper and blend it, and then I'll just pour it into the turkey broth, and that will give me that greenish color that I need for my fried rice. So I'll boil this and get my rice washed. In this case, I'm using Basmati rice. You can use any of your favorite long grain rice, but this Basmati rice did nice job for me. So I'll just boil it, and while that is boiling, I get all my vegetables ready. That's green beans, some carrots, and spring onions, also the regular white onions. I like using this carrot because the other time I tried using the ready-made vegetables, I didn't like the taste that I got from before. So I just like using the fresh one, and it also comes out more crunchy when I use the fresh one. And then I added some green pepper as well, sliced, and then spring onions. So now it's time to, my rice is boiled right now. You can see even the greenish pepper is still floating on top. So I just turn everything, and I need to be sure that it's not burnt. So you need to regulate your heat, and then I set it aside, and I also open the pot because I don't want it to still continue cooking. And then this prawn, just try to fry it. It's also going into my fried rice. It had that extra flavor to your fried rice, but it's not really compulsory, but if you can add it, it had that extra flavor. After this, I then fry liver. That's the liver, the one that I cooked earlier. I've already diced it, so I'll fry it until it's really golden brown. It had that extra touch to your fried rice. And now it's time to go into proper cooking. That's the cooking oil with some onions, and then I add some bay leaves. The next thing is to add my green beans and carrots are the first set of vegetable I'm adding, because it takes time for them to be well cooked. And then I add the green peas, sweet corn, some green pepper, and then the next to add my seasoning cubes, some table salt, thyme, some curry. Trust me, this my fried rice tasted really good. So I just allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes, and then I'll add my boiled rice, the rice that we boiled earlier. So I'll add it gradually. At this stage, you determine how much rice you want your vegetable. You determine how you want your rice to look. So it's not really compulsory that you have to pour the rice into the vegetable. So I'll just turn it in batches, and you also need a wide pot to be able to turn it properly. And then so I'll keep turning until I've achieved the consistency that I want. And that's that. This food, it's really nice. You can just try my recipe, and if you have not followed my page, please do so. So at this point, I also add my spring onion, the fried prawn, and the fried liver, and then I do my final turning. Remember the turkey that spoiled earlier, I've already fried it with my deep fryer. So my fried rice is ready, the turkey is ready, and everything is ready. And that's it. Look at the fried rice. Look at the way it looks. It looks really, really greenish. Yeah. And it tastes superb. Just give it a try, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be glad to answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this my video. See you in my next video. Bye.